What's up, guys? I have it's a 2014 Honda Odyssey right here. I'm putting up on the lift. I'm going to be doing all the brakes on it. I got all the brakes. The rear brakes are, the pads are metal to metal. Car has 110,000 miles on it maybe. The front brakes are okay, but we're going to replace those anyway. I got new pads and new rotors from Rock Auto, and we're going to put them on. It's just the Honda Odyssey, so I didn't go crazy. I was tempted to get the cross-drilled and slotted rotors, but I didn't. I just got normal, boring rotors, and the pads Power Stop Evolution Plus. So hopefully it should be a simple job. I got the thing on the lift, and that's it. I'll start taking stuff off the wheels and stuff, and I'll show you what the it was the passenger side rear. I'll show you what the passenger side rear looks like once I get the tire off. And you can't really see, but it's scraped up pretty good. All right. So I don't think you need to see me change the oil on a Odyssey. You take the plug out, drain the oil, and you take the filter out, and you just replace it. It's easy. So I'm gonna stop the video for now, and show you when something else is happening. I want to show you the rear. Whoa! I want to show you the rear rotor and pads. All right, so here's the new rear rotor. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like stuff on it. There's oil. They put oil on it so it doesn't rust. So what I do is I take some brake clean and you spray it on there, and with a clean rag, go around and clean it, and just go over the surface. I'll go around here too. Alright, and now see all the goop, the dirt. And 1 second. I'm folding the towel. We're getting a clean spot. I will flip the rotor over and spray the other side. And then spray the inside, because that's the emergency brake that we never use. Anyway. And then you just clean it. Look at that. It's just like machine oil or something on there, so it doesn't rust. Alright, and now I'm going to go put it on the car. I'm going to try not to touch it. Hold on. Okay. So we'll put it on the car. There's a little indentation here. That's where that screw went. So I got to line that up with. There's a hole here that's threaded. So it looks like right here. And you probably don't. I don't have to put this back in. From what I heard and told was this is from it's on the assembly line, so the rotor doesn't go flying off. But I'll just put it on there. Nice and tight. I'm going to put I'm going to take this little thing in here, put it. That should be fine. I'm going to put this little rubber thing back in here. This cover and the hole. Oh, there you go. All right, now come with me. I will go look at the bracket. They do their bracket because the bracket has these clips. They give you new clips to put on. So I'm going to take these clips off. That clip right there. I'll put new ones on. It doesn't look like they're that bad. They're just dirty, but they give me new ones, so I might as well use them, I guess, right? This is so much harder with only one hand. Alright, there's that one. I'm going to take the other one off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it to get it clean. There we go. Alright, new ones, old ones. Put it on here. Brake cleaner. I'm going to spray it. Oh, I'm running out. And I'm just going to... Alright. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm not trying to get really clean. I just want to get where the surface of the pads will go. Oops, dropped the camera. And where these where these shims go, or whatever you call them. Hardware. So here's the new ones. Right, the new clips goes on like this. It's gonna go like that. Turn around. This clip. Like this. Come on, get on there. There. Then, I'll take this grease they give me. Put some there. Take the old ones out. Old clips. That's what they are. And here's the tiny little pads. I'll bring those over with me, and I'll bring this with me, and we'll go put this back on. Let's put this back up. All right. Put the bracket on. The bracket on first. the big one, tighten it. All right. Oh, I'm gonna get an old pad. I have this tool, which is supposed to push the piston back in, but on the small one, it was a pain in the neck. So, go back to my old-fashioned way with the C-clamp, and put an old pad on there. An old pad on there. Get the C-clamp. There we go, right here. If it stays here, I'll be good. Didn't stay there. This is it. This needs to come out more. Alright. Old pad. Turn, crank it. And I'm just turning it slowly in. And I learned from the other side, it's got to go pretty much all the way in. God. Alright, slowly in. So that's what it's doing. Alright, I want to clean the boot. Brush. Check the garbage. So I'm pushing the piston in, and there's crap around it. I don't want to push that junk inside the piston. Alright, let's continue. Continue to push this in. Alright, it's all the way in. Now, I can put the pads on. Pads on. There we go. One. The other pad. Caliper back on. That. Screws. Screw. Alright, done. Now I just put the wheel on and do the fronts. I noticed that I got some grease right here. So I'm going to make sure I get it off. Okay, we're good. And I'm not going to bore you with the fronts because it's just front brakes. And there's nothing wrong with them, just take them off and put new ones on. So that should be it. Maybe we'll go for a test drive. Let me show you. So here's where the oil filter is. I put the date on there. You can't see it's upside down. It's 7/21/18. So this is, we're in January of 19. So this thing's been on there for whatever, 5 months. But I think should just use these pliers right here. You got these cool pliers, and you just crunch it on there. And oh, and it doesn't turn. Hold on. Get on here, just like turn it. I'll show you. Oh my gosh, this is hard to do with one hand. I'm holding the camera. All right, let's see. I swear when I did this last time, I didn't put it on there that tight. It's not going. There we go. Look, all I do is crush the heck out of it. So yeah, now it should be loose enough. I can get out by hand. Yep. And then oil's going to drip all over in here. Look at that.